Of your vehicle, thinking I was shut this down.
Oh.
You want a picture of your vehicle?
Nah, I got one with the front end tore up. My stupidness. Oh, that, you know what? This is all recording too. For not paying attention when I had grandchildren in the car. I want a Coke. I want this. I want that. Oh, I think one just went there. It got kind of quiet on us, huh?
It did. I didn't even get one.
There went one.
Did I get a picture? Gosh, you have to be fast. Quick launch. Quit that.
There's a fin.
See, I can't. It's too small to make out of. Oh!
How about if you turn it sideways like I did? Get you a bigger picture.
Now I got some other screwy on here.
I had a phone call. I sent it away.
Good idea.
They're not coming up. There goes a little small boat. There went one, I think. Oh, it was a wave. Where y'all at? Y'all done moved.
Size of that boat. I'm ready. Come on.
I didn't see it. Did you see one?
Right in front. Oh, now the freaking thing won't take a picture.
Oh.
Twice I saw him. Boy, you have to. Oh.
There goes one. Yeah, I see that.